Hello, I'm Robert and welcome to my channel, where I discuss everything automated algorithmic trading, or simply algo trading. Well, it's that time again. Time to wrap up the week. As today's session closes, we have a lot to talk about that's gone on. The bulls are currently in charge of the market and have set up some impressive support levels within it. They've actually positioned themselves in a very nice position so that come Monday's session, they will be pushing the upper range of the market again. Now, it should be noted that the range has dropped from last week of 1.091 to the finish of this week of 1.089. So I definitely believe that the range is going to get pushed back up to the 1.091 level. So let's look at the order book in terms of the bears. Right now they have a very weak resistance level of around 3%. The market really is in a disadvantage for them at the moment, but they shouldn't be counted out. As we've seen before, there's been times where they have clearly rallied and done things unexpected. So I think we need to really pay attention to the market at the point of not getting too reckless. Even though the bulls have control of today's session and the wicks are very small, and they have three very strong levels of support, this market is still anyone's game. But I really believe that Monday is going to be more accumulations before the bears decide to reclaim it. The week before last, we did a lot of accumulations. I picked up a lot of positions, and then this week, I sold them all off. I'm back to accumulating again, so I think this is going to be the continuing cycle for quite a while. But let's look at the support levels. Right now, the strongest level of the order book is at 1.075, at roughly 17% of the weight of the entire order book. That's pretty good, and the bulls really have the advantage with that position. But they have two other levels at 1.077 at roughly 13%, and 1.079 at roughly 10%. So they've really set up a gauntlet for the bears to have to struggle with if they try to push prices down lower. I think that the weakened the weakened resistance levels that the bears have put together is going to get blown away. We already see that right now, where even though we're winding down today's session for the most part, the bulls could still rally for the end of the day and push it above that and break it today. They may not even wait until Monday. Now, the order book right now is the resistance level is at the upper level of the grid, or the upper level of the range, at 1.089. That may or may not hold, but it definitely shows where the bears are struggling. The bulls, on the other hand, they've managed to keep the order book resistance strong for their side against the bears. Order book support is at 1.077. So it is below the frequency weight of where price has been. So they're giving themselves a bit of breathing room. So they've got placed maneuvers while the bears are really at the end of their rope. So let's see what next week brings, but I think we'll can pretty much agree that this is going to be another round of very profitable trading throughout the days. And in fact, let's actually look at the trading that has gone on between the last 2 weeks. Here are the number of buys and sells that have occurred over the last 2 weeks. And we can see that the week before last, buying was pretty heavy. And then this week, selling was pretty heavy. So we can see just how the accumulations really took place per day and how that factored out in terms of the trading. And let's actually look at the trades themselves. And we can see exactly where the market is and how the range unfolded throughout the trades. So as we progress with Monday's session, I think we're just going to see a continuation where price is going to continue either pushing up like it did here, or it might actually drop a little and then pick up on Tuesday, or even start out strong but then end up dropping on Monday like it did last or the week before last, where the bulls had a couple of tight days with the bears, where they started out the market but the bears ended up finishing the market. So I think that could be the possibility as well. But either way, no matter what, have your worst case scenario plan ready, because you can't count either side out. We have seen too many times where the bulls and the bears both have presented very aggressive offenses and defenses. For the proper strategy, this is a whirlwind of profits, but you cannot get too confident in where the direction is going to go, because nobody knows. This is a game of chaos, and it's just a matter of riding the waves to figure that out. So let me know, was your week profitable? Did you have a good week? Share your thoughts. Please hit that thumbs up button and like this video so I can get this channel to continue to grow. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Every little bit helps. Thank you for watching, and until next time.